Hello everyone, my name is Surinder Katra. I am from Mumbai, India. Today I would like to share my experience before and after doing the face reading workshop with Manoj sir. I was first introduced to face reading by a friend of mine who took me to this famous face reader who had all the big clientele. I was at that young age totally blown away by the revelations this face reader did about me. He revealed some of the hidden aspects which I till then had never shared with anyone. Ever since I really was eager and I wanted to learn this art, I'd been searching for a genuine master who could take my hand and walk me through it and how it all works and the secrets of it. I found Mr. Manoj Kumar Nair. I ended up attending his 2-day workshop on face reading. I knew this was right decision in my journey towards understanding people and improving their relationships. What I do believe is that our life it all revolves around people and our relationship. It is our environment and kind of people in it that affects our thoughts and our personalities. Before this 2-day workshop, I had heavily relied on my intuition and reading of person's energy to guide me on it. Now, after this 2-day workshop, I have suddenly got an added tool and a realization that every face it has a story and it is so accurate. It reveals the true hidden personality and other details of a person. It's right there in front of me. I don't need any of their personal details like date of birth, time of birth, etc. to know them. Suddenly, I started to become more aware and observant of all the people around me, all the faces I had. As I had intended, during the workshop, Manoj sir took us all by hand and walked us all through the art and secret of face reading. When he was explaining things, we all would end up opening our mobiles and start to look for those traits, those signs in pictures we had of our loved ones and friends. Everything was 100% accurate and it was just so easy. Manoj sir made it look so easy. Now after the workshop, I ended up having this regret that and the regret being why didn't I knew about this art when I was really young. If I knew, I would have been a totally different person. I would have had the knowledge of people and understanding them, hence take charge of my relationship and my interaction with them, my businesses and everything with them. These 2 days of learning face reading under guidance of Manoj sir has been totally empowering for me. Thank you so much sir for teaching me this wonderful life-changing tool. Just the basic learning of face reading has impacted my life so much. I wonder what the advanced face reading class would do. Looking forward, Manoj sir, for the advanced class. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.